Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini live on desktop. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop. In the search bar, type Google AI Studio and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Google AI Studio website to make sure you're accessing the legitimate platform. Once the website loads, you'll be on the home page. Take a moment to explore the interface. You will see several menu options and resources. In the address bar, type aistudio.google.com/live and press enter. These will take you directly to the Gemini Live page. On the Gemini Live page, you will see multiple options including talk, webcam, and share screen. Take a look at the left sidebar as well, where you'll find additional features like build dashboard, documentation, and settings. These tools can help you customize your session and manage how you can interact with Gemini Live. Next, click on the talk button to initiate a live session. A pop-up or prompt may appear asking you to acknowledge some instructions. Click Acknowledge to proceed. You will now be asked to allow access to your microphone. Click Allow so Gemini Live can hear you. Make sure your microphone is working and the volume is adjusted properly. Once your microphone is active, you can turn it on. After that, you are ready to start your live session. Speak clearly and interact with Gemini as needed. You can also use additional features like webcam or share screen to enhance your session. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.